Hello students, we will study the use of adjectives of opposite nature. When we have the words showing an opposition, or we can say they are antonyms, but they are adjectives. Here in the given table, you are given the various adjectives just as the word wise. The opposite word to wise will be foolish. Both are adjectives. Again, we have quick. The opposite word to it is slow. So you have to just note down from the given exercise the words deep, good, weak, etc. And you have to write the words opposite to these words. Both are adjectives of opposite nature. Thank you.